seeing like the tingle thing? Is the tingle thing happening? Is your tingle tingling?
Welcome back to Freecast Customs. I was going to put together a video of me wiring this whole thing, and it's just not exciting at all. It's funny because I watch all the shows, and you know, everyone's always like, "Oh, I hate wiring. I hate, I just don't do it." And I never understood that, because I'm like, if you don't have electricity, I don't know how your motorcycle runs.
How you like the new?
So you can hate wiring, but you still gotta do it. That said, I don't hate wiring. I do like to eliminate as many wires as possible, for my purposes, of course. So what I have here is I have the most scaled down wiring I have for either my chopper or one of the Bonneville race bikes. It actually, like, there's a couple here, like if I wanted to run a headlight, that's what this is for. And if I wanted to run a brake light, tail light, where'd it go? There's another one here. So, oh, here it is. That's what this one's for. Right, so because this is going to be a street bike, I will use this. There's no turn signals, don't need them. I will wire in the brake pedal, and probably the handbrake as well. But I mean, for this, you know, honestly, look here, this runs to the starter solenoid, and that is hooked to the hot on the battery. I've got the fuse box plugged directly into the negative side, that's there, and a couple body grounds here and there. This one is bolted to the engine. What's that? That's 5 wires right there. And then the only other thing you need, wait, my bad, I'm wrong. These 2 wires run up to the on-off switch. So if I had a on-off switch back here, I wouldn't need to run this. This is the starter wire. Push the button, hits the starter. And then there's 4, but you really only need 3 for the ignition. This triggers one of the 2 coils, and then this just powers the coil, and I split it to give power to the coils. Ignition, right? Gotta have that, and then over here is my voltage regulator, because again, street bike, I'm gonna want it to charge at some point. And that's it for wiring. So from here, I've been charging the battery. I think this guy's actually pretty dead. I have to fill it. I don't know, it looks pretty full. This guy seems pretty dead. So I'm gonna hook her up to the truck and see if we can't get this thing to spin over. Yeah, so right now the key doesn't work. We're just power on, power off for the ignition. And that's all we have. Alrighty then. Hook up to the truck. On and that should have worked. On. Back in there. Okay. Option 2 looks like this. Let's hook this to the starter. Start it up. And then I tap this, I should start too. Nothing happens. You know what? I wonder if it comes down to the ground. Okay, gotta fix the ground somehow. See? Troubleshooting 101. Okay, that's all good. 1 second. Now, you can see I have no exhaust. Obviously, I have no carburetors. Easiest way to know, your timing has to be right, obviously. But the easiest way to know if your engine is going to run, right? Eliminate carburetors, you don't need them. Hear that?
Alive! 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 It's alive!
Oh, please. And she runs. Yay me. So there we go. So now we know we got to fix the ground, put the carbs on. I'll put the exhaust on too, that would help. And we'll have ourselves a running motorcycle.
One day later.
Alright, so got the carbs on. Got the exhaust, got some pipes on here. Obviously trying to go for the most clashing color schemes I can come up with. So I wear this shirt. Now, I got 3 other gas tanks. One was rusted, the other one I couldn't find the key for. So this is the only gas tank I have that I can actually put gas in. So, that said, here we go. Choke on. And she's a runner. Next up, we got to figure out how to get this chain on there. Beep. Ta-da!